If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more of our videos and updates. Thank you. Hello guys, for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to remove background on pictures using two applications. The first one is a free-to-use application, while the second one is a paid application. So first let's try the free application, named Background Eraser. We will use the automatic eraser and the manual eraser. Just point the automatic eraser in the background of the image and it will automatically remove the background with the same color. But automatic eraser is not 100% accurate, it can also remove some of your image. If the automatic eraser removed some of your main image, you can just repair it using the repair tool. So here I will speed up the process and I will also use the manual eraser. Now press done if you are done erasing the background. We can refine the edges of the image, so remove excess background that we could not remove manually. Now we will try the paid application on the same image. Now I will choose YouTube template for this tutorial. In this application, there are plenty of templates ready to use and edit. Did you know that the background remover of this application is just one click away?
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yes. You heard it right. The background will be removed automatically. Just click the image and select Effects and then click the background remover. And just wait for the background to be removed.
A few moments later.
If you find this tutorial helpful, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates.